What's going on, guys? I just had a very nice surprise when I went to check my mail. So I grabbed my mail and there was a package in there that I've ordered some seeds lately, but this one sounded like a lot of seeds, you know what I mean? And I've ordered like some thyme and some one flower variety, so I didn't order a lot of seeds. So something was up. So when I opened it, I was pleasantly surprised. Now, I have no idea if somebody sent this or if it was just the company themselves. So I just have to give a shout out to the company. There was no note inside. There was nothing. It was just sent and very random. So check this out. Check this out. So somebody sent me 31 packages of seeds from microgreens to pumpkin, cucumber, beans. We've got basil and parsley, different leafy greens here, a couple of chilies, numerous flowers, some green onions, beets, corn. Somebody sent me all of these seed packets, and I am truly grateful. I have no idea who did it. This is the only thing that came as some sort of explanation in the package with it was from the Vermont Garden Network. So thank you, Vermont Garden Network. If somebody sent this, I would like to thank you, a little more formally. But as far as I know, it was just the Vermont Garden Network that sent this. So thank you very much, Vermont Garden Network, because I am going to definitely put this to use this coming growing season. So if somebody sent this to me other than the Vermont Garden Network, please let me know so that I can thank you a little more formally. This is absolutely awesome. Totally caught me by surprise, and I will totally be planting a lot of this stuff very soon.